Most of the money-making apps you hear about are complete trash. They either pay pennies after wasting your time or never send a cent at all. I've been there and lost a lot of time with all of my expectations being crushed. But along the way, I also found 4 real apps that actually pay, with real proof and instant cash outs that you can see for yourself. They're free to join, available in many countries, and offer clear, reachable minimum payouts, paid through PayPal, a bank deposit, or gift cards. Just remember to make sure you double-check the rules for your country, because payout options and availability can shift without notice. App 1. First up is InstaGC. This site's been around for years, and it's still one of the fastest ways to earn small payouts you can actually use. The name stands for Instant Gift Cards, and yes, they deliver on that. You earn points for doing things like surveys, watching videos, and visiting websites, and then cash those points out for gift cards, PayPal, or even Bitcoin. One of the biggest advantages here is the low cash-out threshold. A lot of apps make you wait until you have $20 or $30 before you can redeem anything. InstaGC lets you cash out some rewards with just $1. That means you can actually test it, earn, and withdraw in a single sitting. They offer a wide range of payout options too. You're not locked into just 1 or 2 gift cards. You can claim PayPal, Amazon, Target, IKEA, Uber Eats, Visa prepaid cards, and even Bitcoin. The site works best on desktop, but it's mobile-friendly as well, so you can pick up points on your phone when you've got downtime. It's available in many countries worldwide, including places a lot of apps skip, like Nigeria. A smart tip if you use InstaGC is to keep an eye on their live chat box. Regularly, users and admins drop free bonus codes there. When you enter those, you get extra points instantly, no work required. If you're trying to hit that $1 minimum fast, those codes help a lot. The platform also frequently updates its offer wall, so you can prioritize higher-paying tasks and avoid wasting time on low-value ones. App 2. Next is Feature Points, which has been paying users since 2012 and has delivered over $14 million in rewards so far. It works through both a website and an app. What makes Feature Points stand out is that it combines several earning options in one place. You can take surveys, download and try apps, shop online, and complete special offers to stack up points. App installs are one of the easiest and fastest ways to grab points if you have storage space and time to test them. Some people use a second phone for this to avoid cluttering their main device. Once you earn enough points, you can cash out for PayPal, Visa prepaid cards, or digital gift cards like Amazon, Xbox, and Google Play. The minimum for PayPal withdrawals is $5, which is reasonable compared to some of the bigger platforms. One useful tip here is to focus on the high-point offers. Some surveys and app installs are only worth a few cents, but occasionally you'll find tasks paying significantly more. Grab those when you see them because they fill up fast. Feature Points also has a referral program that gives you up to 50% of whatever your referrals earn, which can turn into passive income over time if you build a solid network. While it won't make you rich, it's a legit way to cover some subscription fees or buy extras without dipping into your main paycheck. Real users have reported consistent, reliable payouts, and since the app is available in multiple countries, it's an option for people outside the US who get blocked by a lot of these kinds of tools. App 3. Third is YSense, which was originally called ClickSense before it rebranded. It's now owned by the same company that runs Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars, which adds some credibility, since those are long-standing platforms in the online rewards space. YSense is a bit of a workhorse when it comes to earning options. You can take surveys, complete tasks, test offers, and even earn bonuses through daily checklists. This variety makes it useful for people who like switching between different activities instead of grinding out the same survey formats over and over. The site is mobile-friendly, though it performs best on a desktop if you're multitasking or running several tasks at once. You can cash out through PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, or Amazon gift cards with a minimum payout of around $5, depending on the method you choose. PayPal is usually the fastest, with payments usually processed within 24 to 48 hours. One standout feature here is the referral program, which gives you lifetime passive earnings. Every time someone you invite makes money, you get a small percentage of their earnings without reducing theirs. That adds up over time, especially if you can bring in users who stay active. Another tip for Y-Sense is to always complete the daily checklist bonus. If you finish a set number of tasks in a day, you get a percentage bonus on top of your earnings, up to 8% more. It's not massive, but if you're using the platform regularly, those bonuses can pile up into real extra money. App 4. Last on the list is Toluna Influencers. While a lot of people brush off survey sites, this one has managed to stay relevant by offering more than just surveys. Toluna lets you participate in product tests, polls, and community discussions that earn you points as well. It operates in over 50 countries, making it one of the most globally available platforms out there. It's compatible with both a website and a mobile app, so you can use it on the go. Rewards here include PayPal, Amazon, iTunes, Walmart, and other local store gift cards, depending on what's offered in your country. The minimum cash out is usually around $10, but this can change based on your location and what reward you're choosing. Toluna regularly rotates product testing opportunities, where you can get actual products sent to you for free in exchange for honest feedback. These don't come up every day, but when they do, they tend to pay more points than standard surveys. If you're using Toluna, I recommend fully filling out your profile surveys when you first sign up. This helps the system match you to higher paying opportunities that are worth your time. Also, stay consistently active, because the more often you log in and complete surveys, the more invitations you get. Survey platforms like this prioritize frequent users and tend to send them the better paying surveys before offering them to new or inactive accounts. Each of these apps and websites has its own strengths. InstaGC is perfect for people who want super fast, low-threshold payouts with lots of gift card options. Feature Points is ideal if you like stacking points through app installs and referrals. Y-Sense is built for people who want a mix of tasks and surveys, plus the bonus of lifetime referral earnings. Toluna works well for anyone who prefers product testing, community interaction, and surveys with slightly higher payouts. The key to getting real value from these platforms is consistency. Check in daily, prioritize high-paying offers, take advantage of bonuses and referrals, and always stay on top of changing payout rules in your country. One thing to remember about all 4 of these apps is that while they won't replace a full-time income, they're legit, working tools that deliver payouts you can actually use. You're not going to retire off this money, but you can cover subscriptions, buy gifts, or pay for small expenses without touching your main paycheck. No app like this is passive. The more time you put in, the more you can earn. But when you pick tools that actually pay and skip the scams, every minute counts for something. Use a secondary email for signups to stay organized, track your payouts, and compare your own results. It's not glamorous money, but it's real money. And in a world full of fake promises, that matters. Which of these apps are you thinking of trying out? Are there any others that you would recommend? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful or interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.